Hi guys, today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect your internet connection to your computer or your laptop. But first of all, you have to disable your Windows update. If not that, you waste internet bundle. Updates have been running on desktop all the time, so you have to disable it before connecting your internet connection. So first of all, click on start menu, search services, click on services. On services, scroll down, you're gonna see Windows Update right here. Windows Update. So double click on Windows Update. On yours, on the startup type, you're gonna see manual. It's enabled as manual. So on manual, click on the manual and disable it. Disable your Windows Update. So just put on disable, then press on OK before connecting your your phone USB to the USB port on your laptop or your PC. So after connecting your USB, just plug into your phone and press on settings. Go to settings. On settings, we're gonna see network and internet. Press on network and internet. Then press on hotspot and tethering. Press on hotspot and tethering. Then on the list, enable USB tethering as the first one. USB tethering. So enable it. Boom, it's connected. And now you go to browse on your computer. You go to browse on your computer. So when you open your browser, you can easily search for Google or youtube.com. You're gonna open and you enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.